Audio is something I really haven't looked into extensively on the channel or off camera either. Yeah, I do value a good pair of headphones like my Audio-Technica M40Xs, but I just plug them into the back of my motherboard and kind of just call it a day. That is until Burson Audio got in contact with us and we partnered up with them to check out the Burson Play, and oh my, have my opinions changed about the way I think about audio. Let's get right into it, shall we? So this is going to be an overview of the Burson Play based on the grounds of someone who has not had any experience messing with audio gear like this. I'm doing this because it will give you an outsider's opinion on the value of a product like this for someone who hasn't had experience with audio gear like this. Now the Burson Play is an amp/DAC combo that allows you to swap out op amps. The ability to swap out op amps allows you to tailor the sound to fit your needs. Definitely not something I'm going to be messing with, but it is an option for those who are there, and I wanted to touch on it at the beginning of this video. Now the true beauty of the Burson Play is the ease of use while also having the customization factor for those who like to tweak with their audio gear. It is a plug-and-play system that can be external or even internal, meaning that it can actually be installed inside a PC case DVD drive slot and be powered via Molex and plugged into an onboard USB header on your motherboard. This is really cool if you want to minimize desk clutter. Now one thing to note about the internal installation, your case, depending on how it's made, can cause some interference issues which may result in the Play not being detected properly and or not installing the driver. This was something I spent hours troubleshooting and realized that having some sort of material between the Play and your PC case will fix this issue, because the direct contact with the metal of your PC case can cause some interference issues. Therefore, the Burson Play won't work properly. Big props to Burson's customer support for helping me through this troubleshooting process. It was a very weird use case scenario with my PC case. Most people won't have this issue, but it's something I want to highlight in this video. The unit even comes with a remote, which is awesome for controlling the volume, and also comes with a mute button. A nice little addition. Now the build quality of this thing is insanely good. It's a tank and still looks super classy at the same time. I like the idea of being able to put this in your case, but damn, this is definitely something I would love to have out on my desk to show off. Now the real question is, how does it sound? Well, again, from someone who has never used anything like this before, the difference is insane. It really is. The best way to describe it is the audio is so much fuller on my M40Xs. I can only imagine how much better this would do with a pair of cans that could actually use the power that this delivers. But with the M40Xs, I am just sitting back and taking in audio that I've never experienced before. Now yes, the unit here costs $500, the one that I have, which is pretty expensive. For beginners, you can offer the Play Basic, which is a much more basic version and runs lower preamps, along with having no remote and a cost of $300. Some extra info on the difference between the Play Basic and the one that I have. The only real difference is the inclusion of the reference audio op amps, which are designed by Burson Audio and do cause the price to rise from $299 to $500, and as mentioned, a lack of a remote. But you can take it one step at a time with the Burson Play Basic and upgrade the included IC op amps, which a lot of people are kind of satisfied with later down the line as your needs change. For those who are looking for an amp/DAC combo and know what they are getting into, the Burson Play is a really good option that packs a punch and can be a great option to consider. And even if you're a beginner, this is a great product for those to dive into and actually get some experience with audio, and this thing will last you a really long time. So consider it a really good investment. Thanks again, guys, for watching this video. If you like this video, leave a like down below and comment Play in the comment section down below if you made it this far. If you are interested in the Play, link in the description down below. Thanks again, guys, for watching this video. Hope to see you all in the next one. Peace out.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings to sit and screaming when I'm coming home.